Okay. So, let's get a little organized. Where the hell did that tab go? There we go. And we go to Excalibur. Open this. Good morning, you kins. How we doing? That's done. That's done. That might be done. I'm doing well. All right, we're gonna do spell kit. All right. So where do we want to start here? We should probably start by. Damn. Damn, dude. Holy shit. That's unreal. That was so close. All right, let's make sure our database is up to date here. So we have that. Let's, I think everything's good here. So I need to make a new repo. New repository. I'll be the owner. Repository is going to be project bucket list. And this can be private. Create repo. Copy that. And let's rename this to this will change to dot. That would be DDL. Quit that. Open that. What up, Kyle? Let's see here. I need to copy this and throw that there. Thank you for the follow there, Joel. Appreciate you. I did make that a private repo, right? Yeah, I did. Okay, good. All right, that's good there. Now let's go to SpellKit, and we're going to initiate a new project. Not quite how it works, you kids, but that was the Kyle. Can you see the logs and how close you kids just rolled to almost winning another keyboard this week? Hey, I wrote these docs right here. I got this PR in yesterday. All right. Where was the... I swear there was a command to run. All right, so let's go copy one of my flakes for node. So if we go into personal, which one would be probably my effect Spotify? There's a flake in here. Yeah, we can take this. So let's take that and then go back into work and into project bucket list, paste that in there. Whoa, that's not what we want. We want flake.nix. Write that. And then there we go, put that. We just need bun. Yeah, I think that's all we need for now. And let's add a .mvarc. Save that in there. That's going to be use flake. And we can quit that. Dir env allow. What? What did I do wrong there? Oh, it's just use flake. Good morning. I always thought there was a we are up early. I couldn't sleep. Why is this upset? This is the exact flake I was using in the other one. Everything seems fine here. I have a 5-year-old, so I have to get up at 4:30 to get anything done. Oof. Oof. Why is my flake so upset here? Try deleting that. Oh, because I didn't add it to the... I didn't stash my shit. That's why. Duh. There we go. All right. Let's go ahead and we should have bun in now. Yep. All right. So we're going to run bun create svelte at let's see here. think it's at next. Let's see if this brings in runes. Good morning, 100-year-old coder. All right, we're gonna need some other things here. We're gonna need Lucia auth. Let's go get all the stuff we need for that. We're gonna need to add Tailwind also. So we just did this the other day with our other Svelte project. We're gonna have to figure out best practices for Svelte rather than just shoving everything in like 3 files like we did. Bun install, what is it, dash D? What is Bun's dev install? I never remember. So just dash D? Yeah, okay. For Svelte, use skeleton UI if you value your life. What is skeleton UI? I won't be ignored. Yeah, I was gonna do Shad CN. That's what I'm used to working with. How do I, that's not on here, is it? I have to go to Shad CN Svelte. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. This is what we're gonna do instead. Shad's my coworker, so we have to, you know, I feel like we have to. Ah, there's a command to do this. Oh, dude, I love that. That's so nice. I don't know if I've ever seen a site do that. All right, let's throw that in. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm waking up, chat. Yes. You want to use the topography plugin. What is the topography plugin? Sure, why not? All right, let's see what we got in our directory here. We've got our post CSS, we've got our spell config. Let's rename this to project BL and Vim. Oh, it looks like I might already have. Oh, I have a console below, so this is my Vim tab. All right. I have to update. Oh, this looks like it's already updated. Great. Okay, this all looks good. Okay. Mm-hmm. So now what we just ran. Spell. Oh, it's not. We gotta run that. Fun. Yes, we would like to use TypeScript. See you, Mastered. Thank you for the follow. Perfect. Okay. All right, let me look at my Git log real quick. So let's go ahead and rebase. Actually, let's add everything. Git commit -- amend. Right, quit that. And then we're going to git rebase. Actually, we'll just push. Always force with least, chat. All right, so we should have that pushed to my GitHub repo now. Yep, great. And it should still be private. Yep, let's go add this to Vercel. And we're gonna say add new project. And we're gonna grab you. Yep. Everything looks good there. Deploy. We're actually gonna want to go copy we're gonna copy the code from our other Svelte project we were doing, which is this thing. I want to copy how I did wasn't I using bun in dev? Oh, that might have been my little web app for the music spinner down the bottom right hand corner. Overlays, yeah, that's this. I'm gonna sneeze, maybe. Here we go. So we want to install this. Bun install dash d. Got that, and then we're gonna go back to the second tab and we're gonna grab this adapter and we're gonna put that in this project. Where's the Svelte? Go in there, paste that, boom. Can get rid of our highlights, and we need to install the bun adapter. So let's just go up here and copy these, back over to here, paste that in, boom. Oh, we need to install the Vercel adapter. Let's go ahead and install that. What is my command to make this smaller? There we go. Bun install dash D. All right, that's installed. And now let's just go ahead and add that. One last thing. Let's go into our .env and say node env export node env is going to equal development. Dir env allow. Same thing down here. Give the old dir env allow. Great. Let's say here bootstrap. Bootstrap, Tailwind, Shad CN. What else did we do? We added the bun adapter for dev and Vercel adapter for prod. Yeah. Git push. Let's come over here. That's gonna redeploy. Yep, getting a redeploy. So let's go to our project here and we're gonna password protect this. Deployment protections. $150 a month. Sheesh. Even though I get credit. All right, that's fine. We don't need that for now. Okay, so we have our deployment. Excellent. We got the app running. Now let's we should probably finish following the docs here. I don't think I did installation. Okay, cool. Yeah. I'll be right back, chat. I'm gonna let the one dog out. Yeah, homeboy was not feeling good. Oh, we're dropping the frickin' ban hammer. Get him gone. Get him gone. Alright. Now that we're back, let's go ahead and where are we at? We need to let me go check on my we need to install Lucia now. So let's go ahead and install Lucia. And we're also gonna want to install Oslo, I believe. Where was that guide? I don't think that's supposed to be a dev dependency. That doesn't seem right, does it? Even knew your name. It's one of the best songs. It's so sad, but it's so good. So has anyone used Drizzle, and do they have strong feelings on Drizzle? I've used Prisma a lot in the past, but I haven't used Drizzle yet. I do know SQL relatively well. Cool. All right. Let's see. I want to grab. What do I want to do here? I want to get in the client color themes, which let me go grab that. I have an email. We're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna theme this. Let me go to my Gmail over here. Just a bit out of key. All right, there's that. Let me grab. That. Did you have any issues with Bun yet? No, I have not. I've been using Bun for most of my dev for like over a year. Stick that, we don't need that in here. So we can get rid of that. Throw the brand colors over here. All right. Okay. I kind of regret using Prisma for a side project because it wants to download Arch specific binaries at runtime. It's because they have like that little sidecar Rust engine or whatever. Or maybe they got rid of that, I'm not sure. All right, so we got Lucia. Let's see here. What font? All right. Let's go into Vim. And we can actually get rid of this one. And let's go into our code. Just gonna add a data directory here, save that. We're gonna take our DDL and throw that into there. Go up a directory into source and into our routes layouts. That gets our CSS. Great. Perfect. Okay, that looks all good. We've got that. Awesome. I don't think we need this index, but we'll find out later. I'm doing well. How are you doing, Sachino? Thank you for the subscription, WebDev. I super appreciate that. Appreciate that a lot, especially with freaking Twitch upping their prices. There's zero expectations of anyone subbing, but I appreciate all of you that do. Let's see here. I had a TikTok with a login form that I wanted to crib. Yeah, let me screenshot this. It's very simple, but I like it. Yeah. All right, we're gonna want a card component. I'm assuming ShadCN has a card component, so let's go grab a card component. We're gonna try to build this login screen and get login stuff working. So let's see here. We want to go to ShadCN. I'll come back to that in a bit. Probably don't need that open. Don't need that. We want a card. And we're gonna say bunx. I guess I can just grab that, huh? Command V. Yes. What was that warning? Oh, it's because I'm using bun to install things. That's fine. All right, so we got a card. Great. So let's go into components and let's add a, that had to add our card in there, didn't it? Right? Where did it install the card to? Lib components UI card. What up, Count Orin? Okay, there we go. We have the card. Great, so let's come in here and let's make a new directory called auth. We'll save that and we'll make login card dot svelte. And do I have to configure prettier? I should have prettier. What is my configuration on my LSP though? Okay, that's fine. Svelte is prettier. Yeah. I'm gonna need Oh, lovely project setup. I love you, TypeScript. So I was building all good, building something new. Yeah, we are actually. I'm starting a project for a client, a freelance client. So what we're building is essentially a SaaS platform where the client is a very successful financial advisor at I can't really say where at, but they are successful enough and well known enough in the financial advising world that they have a coaching practice, which is also very successful for like younger financial advisors to get coaching. Not even younger, just financial advisors in general to get coaching. And that involves like coaching sessions, getting metrics uploaded from those from the advisors in the coaching program. So I'm building out a platform to run that, and then potentially the ability to scale it out to be multi-tenant. So other financial advisor coaches could use the platform and run their own coaching practices from it. So that's kind of what we're working on. All right, so Meet said, so I was building a website for my streamer friend and I have added these things so far. Hero page, about page, watch me live page, popular clips section, creative videos section. You need commas, bro. Merch, pricing, merchandise. I have no idea. Any crypto? Nah, no crypto. Oh yeah, we already have that. So let's push. And then we're going to go back over here and we're going to quit out to get those updates. We're going to clear and reset. Launch into Vim. Let's update Vim. Great. And we'll update tree sitter grammars while we're at it. If it's all right with you, I would like to show you my portfolio website, but I'm 15 years old, so I need advice. Sure, if you want to throw your link in, we'll take a look. All right. This is already way better than anything I ever made at 15. Yeah, this is so good. Did you do this design yourself or did you find this as a template somewhere? This has to be a template, right? Damn, dude. That's really impressive. I love like this. Yeah, this is really, really good. For 15, you have a lot of skill and a lot, more importantly than the skill you have now, you have so much potential being at the level you're at now. Yeah, the best advice I can say is just keep going, keep building. You're clearly very, very competent and know what you're doing. I would say push yourself into areas of development that you might not otherwise. Like things like some of the like deeper CS stuff is stuff I wish I would have learned at a much younger age. So like building like lexers and parsers and compilers, I think that will help you a lot. Learning some lower level stuff. I don't know what your back end experience is like, but make sure you get some experience. Yeah, I'm very, very impressed. Very impressed. This is like better than any design work I could do. So kudos. And we're going to write a metric processing engine type thing in Rust. So we're going to have like a small little service that will probably deploy to fly or wrap in Nappy RS that's going to sit and process Excel files and rip out data and process them and derive metrics and stuff. Yeah, I went through Rust the past week or so, or Rustlings, and I really like Rust, so I'm making an excuse to fit it in this project. We might not get to writing Rust for a week or two, but I do plan on using it for our backend services that aren't directly related to just serving data to the front end. All right. So we've got our card component. We've got, what else do we need? We need a button. So let's go install our button from shadcn. Grab that, eat that, bada bing, bada boom. So I recently built one more project where I'm generating APIs using Prisma, then connect backend. So there are 2 projects. Nice. Nice. Yeah, Sachin, the best advice I can tell you is just keep being intellectually curious, keep building, and keep building things that are just every project you take on, make sure it's slightly outside your comfort zone with something you don't know yet. I think you have a lot of potential to be a really amazing dev. Yeah, Ghosty is a terminal emulator. What up, bro? All right, so we got our button. Topography. We're gonna want label. So let's go ahead and grab our label. Dude, shadcn is so nice. Do you order delivery often, Mr. D. Mulroy? Yeah, more than I used to, actually. I used to be on a really, 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 really restrictive diet because of some health issues. And it was hard for me to eat anything that wasn't just home cooked. But I also love cooking. All right, what else do we need? Come home. Hover card. Okay, that's what that does. Great. Okay, that's what that does. Okay. Okay. Love that we have a calendar. All right. I think that should be close to what we need for just this little component. Okay, so let's add that. We'll say add shad cn components. And we'll go ahead and push that. Woke up allergic. That's never fun. Right, I need to copy. I totally got distracted with what I was doing. All right, we're gonna copy something like this. What up, Akira? Where's DevDad been? I feel like I haven't seen him. I mean, I've been waking up pretty late, and I haven't been able to catch him anyways, but I feel like I haven't been seeing his go live notifications. Let's see here. We did all this. This is good. That all got bootstrapped for us. Let's go to V0. And let's go ahead, generate a simple login form card that only supports email password. It should have a forgot password link, and it does not need to support sign up. He's at a wedding, so off for the week. Gotcha. He's running many miles. Facts. I love how they all generated basically the same thing. All right, so we're just gonna go for it. So we're gonna have a routes, and we need to look up how to let's have a I'm gonna need to pull up the SvelteKit stuff because I do not know SvelteKit yet off the top of my head. Routing. So let's add like a dashboard that we need to be authenticated to get to. So come in here and we'll say /dashboard. We'll save that. I guess we don't need that. That goes at the end. And we'll come in here and we'll add plus layout. If I could remember where my plus key is. Plus layout dot svelte. And we want a plus page dot svelte. And let's just come in here, and I'm gonna need to copy how I did the slots from the other project, and that was in mail. Let's come in here and grab, yeah, we need to do this basically. Drop that in there. Okay, that looks good. V0 is awesome, yeah. It's really useful. It's really useful for giving you an idea. I don't often use it for the whole thing, but it's enough to like give me like ideas to work with. Make it more exciting and fun. See what it does. No, I'm using my own auth. All right, I'm getting distracted. Yeah, it's pretty good at just like spitting out like decent stuff. All right. Regardless of that, we need to go here, and then we want to add in dashboard. We basically want to steal the layout for this in here, come in here. We don't necessarily need, this will just be, I guess, div. And we'll give this like a, full, something like this. Yeah, we'll do that. And then in page, we're just gonna say something like dashboard, or we can even do like H1, right? And this will be like dashboard. And our goal right now is to not let this page load until we're authenticated. No, I'm still using my Moonlander. My old keyboard is over here. I miss the sound of it, but I really like using Split. All right. Wait, there's something about me. What? It's all friends of me. So we have a server. Great. So it defines a page of your app. By default, pages are rendered both on the server for the initial request in the browser. So far we've... All right, I need to read this actual full guide quick. I use a mouse tool. Am I not going to make it? Probably not going to make it. Yeah, dude, this is my, let's see how fast I can do here. I've been doing pretty well, all things considered. And I'm way more accurate on this now. Once I got used to the column layout, I am way more accurate than I was on my old one, because it like forced me. I was already good at touch typing. Like, it helps me be more accurate. I don't know, because I was notoriously inaccurate on my old keyboard. And like, because this column, I think the ortholinear layout and the columns really help, and forcing my hands to stay on the right side of the keyboards or on separate sides of the keyboards, it helps my, as I'm like really fucking up here, but, 96. I got up to 117 yesterday. Like here I was cruising at a raw of 126, 112, 116. Oh, I didn't realize you were talking about a mouse. I have my mouse like in between my keyboard. So like if you look, um, does this show my mouse over here? No, it doesn't. I keep my mouse right between my keyboard. All right, so we want to get started here, and let's go ahead and go to SvelteKit. So we're gonna go to source, lib, and we're gonna go to server. And then we'll go into there and we'll add auth.ts. And we're gonna drop into here, and we're going to, we need an adapter. So import, we get import Lucia to start. There we go. All right, so we needed an adapter. Where do we find adapters? I guess we need to probably make up our mind on, let's just go all in on Drizzle. YOLO. I haven't used Drizzle before, but I can't imagine it's going to be too bad. What is Drizzle Kit? Some red jumpsuit apparatus. Let's go. All right. I need to read some Drizzle docs here quick. So we have this schema. Can I generate a schema from an existing database with Drizzle? See what's going down. Where you are. Man, these are really good docs. Holy hell. What is Drizzle Kit? is our companion for automatic generation, rapid prototyping. Okay, that sounds okay to me. I would like to have migrations. Inspecting with DB pool. Yep, that's probably what we want. All right. We're gonna have to figure out how to run that CLCI or that CLI. Let's see here. Configuration. Yep, okay. That looks perfect. So let's bump this over. Let's come into, oh, we got a Ghosty update. Let's install that quick. Install and relaunch, close Ghosty. Yep, great. And we need to increase the font size. That should be at 24. That is at 24. And let's tmux attach T to project bucket list. All right, we want to be in there, and this probably needs to be at our root. So let's go back up to our root. And we love all of the frickin' top level files for JavaScript, but let's add a drizzle.config.ts. I'm surprised there's not like a bootstrap. I mean, I guess there might be. Thank you for the follow, Snoozed. All right, we're gonna want to add those to, we want this. Yeah, we do need that. We probably have the bun types, right? Is there types for bun? Bun types. I swear we had this. I think I have this in not here. It'll be in here maybe. Yeah, we want that. So let's go add that. And that was in compiler options. Yep. Great. All right, we're gonna want to copy some of these, but let's get our bun types. So let's go back to here, come down here, and we're gonna bun add -d bun types. Hopefully that has the process.env on it. No, that was updated. Oh, okay. Bun bun types. And Really? Bun remove. Bun types. Bun docs TypeScript, excuse me. Thank you, Chris. Appreciate it. Okay. I guess we should copy some of these compiler stuff too. Strict skip lab check, no fall through case. All right, let's grab this one, and I do want those. Okay. That should be good there. Hopefully we can now see. 85. What's it want? Does it want a string? Yeah, it does. Okay. How do we want to do that? We can just take the easy way out for now, and we'll say just exclamation point. And I'm gonna go ahead and add that real quick to my dir env. Export db underscore URL equals that, and let's go over to Supabase and grab our y'all are crushing the music this morning. So good. Excuse me. Nah, Akira, you're killing it. I'm vibing with this. Where the hell do I find my credentials? Project settings. Why did the music stop? The music did stop, right? I don't know. It says it's playing, which is interesting. It's not picking up my queue. Let me quit Spotify and reopen it. I can't even play anything on Spotify. Am I still live? Yeah, I'm still live. I have a bit rate. but my Spotify doesn't want to play. I don't have anything sensitive in here yet, so let me unblur that. So it won't even let me play a single song here. You see this? I wonder if I'm rate limited or something. Well, in the meantime, just so we're not sitting in silence, I will play Apple Music. It might because it's hitting the same endpoints. It's using my API key. That makes sense that we would find... There we go. No, it just literally doesn't want to play. Everyone sees this? Well, the song requests are breaking because there's no active player, right? Like we're seeing this active device thing, which totally makes sense. We don't have an active playback device. I can't even play on Spot. I wonder if Spotify's down. Can anyone try to go to Spotify and see if it's working for you? Look at that. I'm getting... Look at this. It's just like broke. Let me try logging out and logging in. All right, so it looks like I can log in fine. There we go. I just need to log in and out. All right, hold on. Let me kill that. Let me come back to here. Okay. All right. I don't know what happened there, but it's working now. I don't want to listen to this much Drake though. I'm just gonna play this. Yeah, that was really weird. I can't even like think about what would cause that to happen. Hey, at least our freaking app is really resilient and works on fly. All right, that was weird. Reference ID, pause project, project usage. Where the heck do I find my freaking database URL? Why is this so hard? Database. Database tables. Functions, extensions, publications, access controls, roles, backups, platform. Am I crazy? I feel dumb right now because I cannot find where my freaking connect. Okay, there it is. Good Lord. That was so hard. All right, we need to go get my password now. So I'm going to blur my screen, go grab my password. And that's going to be under project bucket list. Grab that and view around that. So end in, yeah. All right. Close that, close that. We can unblur. Dur and below. That was such a weird bug with, I've never had that happen. Add drizzle. I've never had that happen with Spotify, and I've been using that for a long time. All right. So we should have our drizzle config should be good now. We should get that. This is going to go to, I'm actually going to throw the drizzle config in data. And the schema. All right. So back to the drizzle docs. I want to do the introspect thing. Do I have drizzle quit kit available to me in my terminal down here? No. So let's go add that to our flake. Let's go to Nix and drizzle. Oh, is there really not going to be Node JS, Node packages? No, okay. That's fine. We'll just, I don't feel like writing an overlay, so we're just going to do dot slash, we'll add it to our package JSON actually. That will be the way we do this. Let's go to our package JSON, and here we're going to add drizzle introspect. And this will be drizzle colon introspect. And that's going to be that. And I think we just run drizzle kit, right? Drizzle kit introspect. Let's see how that works. Okay. Let's see what that said. All right, does not exist at the default path. Right. We need to set up do I just have to point it at config? There we go. We're actually going to change this to pool. Or actually, no, I guess it is just introspect. And then what you say, dash dash config. Config is going to equal dot slash data slash drizzle dot config dot ts. Right, that's the right path? Yeah. All right, let's try that again. Okay, there we go, chat. Look at that. Come on. I believe. I swear, almost every time I come in here, you are working with a new library or something. What the fuck is Drizzle? Drizzle is an ORM for TypeScript. It's kind of replaced Prisma as the cool kid on the block. Is this really taking this long? Thank you for the follows, Spaldass and Napcat and Vortex Beater earlier. I wonder if it's because of Node. Let's try again. Like, it got the right tables. I guess we'll try with Node. It might be that like async hook thing up there didn't work with Bun. So let's try running it with npm run drizzle introspect. No, it just doesn't want to fucking finish. There has to be a timeout, right? You would think there would be a timeout. I wonder if it even copied our file. It didn't even... Never seen this before. I can't even kill this. I'm just stuck. Everyone sees this. I can't do anything. Drizzle has taken over my machine. This is very good. I guess we're just gonna kill that. Thank you, Akira. Yeah, for real, Ryan. I don't know what the... So far, we're off to a rough start with Drizzle. And I guess we can do check. Jesus. Okay, so check, and then we do dash dash config equals data slash drizzle config. And no such file or directory. I don't know what's happening. Let's make this check instead and see what happens. It's not promising, y'all. All right. All right, we don't have an out folder. That's probably part of the problem. We need a out. Is going to be / migrations. Let's see if that's the problem. Everything's fine. All right, let's try going back and changing that back to introspect, and let's try again. Dude, what? Yeah, I think I might just drop my database and restart from scratch. I don't even have any data in there yet, so it's not a big deal. What? This is very good. Studio. Oh, it's already up there. I broke it, that's why. I missed a comma, because I'm dumb. There we go.